So you are planning to delete your YouTube channel to start another one because this current one is not having views. Come and tell them just one thing.
Do not do it. You will regret. I'm still trying to heal.
You heard him. Right now, somewhere on YouTube, a channel with 0 views is about to delete itself. Not the channel, the person. They are going to hit delete and start a brand new channel, thinking that is the only reset button. But it's not. Should I shock you? You can delete your channel to start fresh. But you will be shocked that the channel you deleted is doing far better than the one you start fresh. Yes, it happens. I know a lot of them. You can ask Benjamin. He's a victim. Do not delete your YouTube channel to start fresh. It's a worst decision you are about to take. The 0 views you are having is a normal thing. Everyone experienced it. And you can still break from that jail like a prison breakers. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why deleting your channel is the single worst mistake you can actually do right now, and the 4 things you should do that actually works. I have other faceless channel. This is not my only channel. I have this one just to teach the little things I know up here, the little I know. Don't skip this video because the algorithm is not punishing you. You are punishing yourself. Are you not punishing yourself? You are a good student. You have truth. Here is the might. YouTube hates me. My channel is cursed. I need a fresh start. I get it. I felt it. You posted a video. You refresh 40 times only to see that your views are stuck at 3 views. 2 views are from you. You were clicking the video randomly. So the brain does what it does best. It starts looking for an escape hash, and start over feels like control. It feels like the only hope left. But here's the truth nobody tells you. YouTube doesn't have a memory of failure. There is no shadow list. There is no flagged channel database killing your reach. Yes, what is actually happening is way less dramatic and way more fixable. Every video you upload gets a tiny trial run. YouTube shows it to a small batch of people, sometimes 20 to 30 or fewer, and it watches what they do. This is YouTube, and immediately you upload your video, this is what they do. Look what YouTube did immediately you posted your video. Somebody just uploaded a new video. Who is that? Oh, you uploaded a video? Alright, I'm going to test it. I'm going to give this video to 20 people and see how they react. Out of 20 people, 15 people watch, 5 people scroll. I will test it again. This time I will increase the numbers of people I'm going to push it to. Let me give to 100 people and see what they do. People are not clicking. They are not watching. They are not watching longer. They are scrolling in the first 5 seconds. This video is not good enough. People are leaving. Out of 100 people, 80 people scroll, 20 people watched. This video is not good enough. I will stop pushing. It's wasting people's time on YouTube and my own time. I will just leave the video. Do they click? Do they stay? Do they leave in the first 5 seconds? If they leave, YouTube stop pushing your video. They did not ban you. It just stop testing you. That is it. That is the whole 0 view course. It is not your channel. It is your last 10 thumbnails. It is your last 10 hooks. It is your titles. It is the first 5 seconds of your last 10 videos. So when you delete your channel and start a new one, you are not fixing the problem. You are keeping the exact same problem and giving up every subscriber, every watch hour, every piece of data YouTube already collected about who might like your content. You are burning the map to draw a worst one from memory. Here is the part that should actually scare you a little. A brand new channel has 0 trust with the algorithm. 0. Your cursed channel, I mean the one you want to delete, already has some signals, some tiny bits of watch time, some tiny bits of history YouTube can learn from. But a fresh channel has none of that. You are not resetting to 0. You are resetting to negative. So if your old channel wasn't getting picked up, a new one with even less trust is going to struggle even harder. You are not skipping the hard part. You are doing the hard part twice. So what do you actually do? Here is fix number 1, and it is the biggest lever you have. Go back to your last 5 videos. Watch only the first 5 seconds of each one. Not the whole video, just the 5 seconds of each video, like a stranger scrolling would. And ask yourself one brutal question: would I keep watching this if I didn't make this? I mean, if it's another person that posted that video, will I keep watching this video? Ask yourself and answer that question yourself. Then you will know what to do. Most people 5 seconds would sound like this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video today we are going to talk about
that is not a hook. That is a goodbye. That is the sound of a thumb already moving toward the next video. You are telling viewers to scroll. If it's you, what do? We all scroll because I don't know you. So I will not stay to listen to your introduction, to listen to your hey guys. I will scroll because I'm looking for something that will come up immediately to answer my question, or something that will trigger me to stay to watch the video. The fix is simple but ruthless. Cut the intro, cut the greeting, cut it off, cut it from the video. Cut the channel name, cut hey guys, cut it. Start with the most interesting sentence in the whole video, the claim, the question, the wait what moment, and put it at 0.00 seconds. If your video best moment is at 2.30 minutes, that is not where it should be. That is not where it should live. That is supposed to be your new opening line before the video starts. Alright, that is the fix for number 1. Fix number 2, the 3-second thumbnail test. Shrink your thumbnail down to the size of a postage stamp, literally on your phone, tiny, and look at it from across the room. Can you still tell what it is about? Can you still read the text? Is there one clear focal point? Or is it 5 things fighting for attention? Some people make thumbnails like this. What is this? It's not even catchy. Most zero views channel has thumbnail that look great, full screen, and completely disappear at actual browsing size. And browsing size is the only size that matters, because that is the size everyone actually sees in it. Fix number 3, and this one is uncomfortable. Stop switching niche every 3 videos. YouTube's algorithm builds an audience profile of your channel the same way Netflix builds one of you. If your last video was about fitness, your next video is about crypto, and the other one after that one is a vlog, YouTube genuinely doesn't know who to show you to. You are confusing the YouTube algorithm. It cannot build a momentum on a moving target. Think about it like you aim a gun at a moving tiger, a running tiger. Difficult to shoot, right? That is how it works. So pick one lane, stay in it for at least 5 uploads. Stay in it for your next 10 videos if possible. Let the algorithm actually learn what you are before you ask it to trust you with a new audience. And fix number 4, the one most people don't know it exists. Your worst performing old video isn't dead weight. It is a free text. Go back, rewrite the title, redesign the thumbnail, trim the first 15 seconds and republish it. Same channel, same video, upgraded packaging. You keep every view it already had. You keep every second of watch time, and now it gets a second trial run. This time with a hook that doesn't lose people in the first 5 seconds. Channel has gone from 0 views to their first viral video doing nothing but this, recycling what they already had. Fixed instead of deleting. Do not delete your channel. You can still build it up. So here's the truth. Your channel is not broken. Your first 5 seconds are. Do not delete it. Audit it. Fix the hook. Fix the thumbnail. Fix the title. Pick a lane and give your old videos a second chance before you throw away everything you have already built. For now, I think that is the end. If this video helped you, you already know what to do. Like and subscribe because my next video is going to talk about you. I will see you in the next video. Hey Ben, come and tell them goodbye for now. See you in the next video, and please subscribe. Do not delete your channel. You will regret. Subscribe.